And here we see more beautiful wildlife of Romania, gypsies, and a stranger appears. What is this? No, we don't want challenge. This is not Top Gear, we don't do challenges. Challenge number 1, ride on the best riding road in the world, the Transfagarasan highway. Challenge number 2, eat some Romanian traditional food when you get on top of the Transfagarasan highway. I guess you could do much worse on a Friday. So let's go find Transfagarasan. Actually, we know where it is, it's not a secret. It's only about 140 kilometers away from us. Let's try get some awesome footage on it, and when we get on top, we'll find some traditional food. Lots of traffic in Romania at the moment. It's the middle of the day on a Friday. Obviously, absolutely nobody works on a Friday. Hello, nice chopper people. Oh, hello. There's that strange man again. What is the strange man doing? So we've got another 20 kilometers until we get to another small town, and then from there about 80 kilometers until the top of the Transfagarasan highway. I don't know why they call it a highway, because it's only 2 lanes, probably because it's up high. Roadworks, because what's better than roadworks? Strange rider in front of us again. That guy was carrying a weed whacker on a scooter. If you missed it, that's what was happening there. We've made it to the last town before the fabled Transfagarasan highway. I'm looking at the clouds and I'm not very happy with what I'm seeing. I checked the forecast today and there was no sign of rain, but those are not pretty clouds. Maybe the god of rain will be merciful today. Now the real fun is gonna start in about another 40 kilometers. That's when we get on the mountain passes and we're gonna see some beautiful things there. But until then, there's village after village after village after village after village after village after village, lots of villages. After a little while, the strange man that was following me got bored. To make himself feel better, he decided to scare some poor foreigners about the quality of the petrol they were just about to put in their bikes.
It shouldn't be that disastrous.
He then proceeded to try and make them feel better.
Don't worry, it's not that bad. I mean, everything that could be is not having the full potential, but it couldn't be that bad. Don't worry.
Alright, so technically we are on the Transfagarasan pass right now. There are a lot of bikers here. Most of these guys are riders from all over Europe. And until we get to the really nice part of the pass, we've got another 30 or 40 kilometers. Woo! 30 or 40 kilometers of these beautiful, horrible winding roads. Man, this road was meant for bikes. The strange man got bored again, so we stopped so he can drink some gypsy tears, laugh at cyclists, and buy some jam.
Până anul ăsta n-am făcut, dar anul ăsta am făcut, dar e un deliciu.
I could see it was going to be a very long road if we didn't get some food into him straight away, so I decided to stop at the first restaurant. Oprește-te la Han aici, la urs, să mâncăm aici. The food was terrible. I ordered traditional soup and I got water with vegetables instead. But the strange man seemed to be happy with what he ordered, and so he proceeded to keep talking on his phone for an hour. After that, we continued. This is amazing. Every time I see it, it gets better and better. You can never get tired of this. Almost there, we're gonna go through a tunnel now, a really long one. And then we are gonna be at the end of the pass. Challenge number 1 completed. Okay, so we almost completed both challenges today. Happy Friday. The one with the food only counts as half because the food was bad. But we are on the best riding road on the world, in the world.
Only what he hated what was bad. Beautiful country, isn't it?
On the way back, we met the same unfortunate tourists from the petrol station. The strange man proceeded to scare them some more with stories about Siberia, make some bad jokes, and talk a lot of politics.
In years 1950, if you were doing something bad, go to Siberia, because Russians were all over in Romania.
I had different routes on my GPS.
And you selected a bad one.
How are the roads?
The roads in Romania sometimes there are holes like this, as deep as this.
So you don't get bored, that's why we have the roads.
Yeah, you don't fall asleep on these
Exactly.
roads. No. But the people is very friendly. They don't, how do you call it, steal you.
Yeah.
They are honest.
You haven't met the right ones.
Met the right ones. We met the most honest people until now.
Until now. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem still.
Some man with a BMW and
another BMW. Oh, these ones, they are the most honest.
They maintain everything, but the bear did not come.
Yeah, that's the only thing that could happen.
No, I slept in a tree and I put the food.
Really?
So
I'm too old for the politics.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm too. How should I say? Too sick of them. I don't want to.
We are also sick of the politics.
In Belgium?
Yes.
Coming to Romania, you will be sick in one day.
No.
But then you needed to do it. If you come with a bike in Romania, you need to do Transfagarasan. So it's a good mistake if I.
And Transfagarasan made a little surprise for us today. A bear. Little bear. And a cub. Big Mama Bear is probably asking for food. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know in the comment section below what other parts of Romania you would like to see. Thanks for watching, see you next time.